Mung bean sprouts and pea shoots are common vegetables that you're probably familiar with. Some may label them as sprouts, while others call them microgreens. What are the differences between the two? Watch on to find out as we explain the difference between sprouts and microgreens and share tips on how you can grow and harvest them at home. Sprouts are seeds that are germinated and consumed at just a few days old. They are grown in water and do not require light to grow. The whole sprout, its roots, stem, and germinated seed is eaten. Microgreens, on the other hand, are seedlings eaten when the first leaves have formed. They are usually grown on a substrate, such as soil or peat moss, for 1 to 2 weeks as the seedlings need light and nutrients to grow. Only the leaves and stems are harvested for salads or as garnishes. The seeds and roots are not consumed. Sprouting can be done easily with simple materials you can find at home. You can find the seeds easily in the organic section of supermarkets or on online platforms. To start sprouting, place a few teaspoons of seeds in a jar. Place the gauze or cheesecloth over the mouth of the jar and secure it with a rubber band. Soak the seeds for 6 to 8 hours in a cool area to start the germination process. Rinse the seeds and drain off excess water. Repeat this step several times a day to ensure the sprouts are clean and safe to consume. The sprouts will be ready after 4 to 5 days, or when they are 3 to 5 centimeters long, depending on the type you are growing. To grow microgreens at home, you will need these materials. Besides using materials found around the house, you can also grow microgreens in microgreen trays found in local nurseries or online platforms. Likewise, you can purchase the seeds from those stores or try the organic section in supermarkets. To grow microgreens with small seeds like amaranthus, place a few pieces of tissue paper on the bottom of the container. Moisten it with the sprayer. Spread the seeds over the moist tissue evenly. Spray until it is covered slightly with water. Cover the container with a dark-colored towel and place it in a cool and dark area to ensure even germination. Check daily and spray more water if the seedlings appear dry to keep the seedlings hydrated. Be careful not to overwater as it may cause the seedlings to rot. Once the leaves appear, usually when the seedlings are around 4 to 5 centimeters tall or about 5 to 7 days, remove the towel or take them out from the box and place in an area with filtered sunlight for a day or 2. The seedlings are ready for harvesting when the leaves turn green. Cut at the base of the seedlings to harvest. Give the microgreens a rinse and enjoy. You can use the same method for other microgreens such as broccoli, kohlrabi, and kale. To grow microgreens with larger seeds such as garden pea, start by soaking the seeds in water for 8 hours in a cool and dark area. This will help to kickstart the germination process. Drain the seeds. Spread a layer of potting mix on the bottom of the tray and spread the seeds evenly over the soil. Spray with water to keep the soil and seeds moist. Cover with a dark-colored towel and place in a cool and dark area or place it in a box to ensure even germination. Check daily and spray more water to keep the seeds moist. Do not overwater to prevent rotting. Once the first pair of leaves appear, on day 3 to 4, take it out and place it in an area with filtered sunlight for a few days. To harvest, cut at the base of the seedlings. Pea sprouts taste best before the tendrils emerge, so be ready to cut it sooner than later. Sprouts and microgreens are rich in nutrients and easy to grow. Try adding them to your salads and sandwiches, or simply stir-fry for a delicious and nutrient-packed meal.